In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect two devices to your Shokz OpenDots 2. Now, all you need to do is simply start by opening up the Shokz app on your phone. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and just scroll and select MultiPoint Pairing. Do ensure that MultiPoint Pairing is currently enabled. Then from here, now all you need to do is simply select the option, connect to the second device, like so. Now you'll be given instructions on how you're going to do so. This means just turning on pairing mode on the buds themselves and then going to your Bluetooth settings on your other device and connecting them from there. So just go ahead and do so. So turn the case to the back and long press on the button there until the indicator light starts blinking rapidly, letting you know they're in pairing mode. And once they're in pairing mode, you're then going to go to your settings app on your phone or on your computer, then navigate to Bluetooth, select your OpenDots 2, and confirm the pairing process if prompted. And once you do that and you see it's connected, you can also be able to see here in the Shokz app on the original device that the second device has been successfully registered. So your Shokz buds should be able to switch between both devices depending on how you're using them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.